Hello guys, as I promised on TikTok, a tutorial how to run two CSGO instances on one PC without VMware, because as we know, VMs are not the best. And actually it shows up as an error, so yeah. Let's go! So, first of all, you want to download Sandboxie. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. And after downloading, you want to install it and run it. Then you need a Steam shortcut. As you can see, I have it right here. I'm gonna move it to desktop. Right here we have Steam shortcut, and just drag it onto a window, run as administrator, and we want to run it in Sandbox. Click OK. We see a UAC pop up, just accept that, and Steam is launching. As you can see, Steam launched, and you can see that yellow border, that's an indicator that it's running in Sandbox. So now we want to minimize that and run Steam normally. As you can see, even here it shows with yellow border. Now you can see this account and this account are different. So you need two Steam accounts for that. So remember, but CSGO is free now anyway, so there's that. And we want to run it here and run it in Sandboxie instance. Now, both CSGO instances are launching, so I'm gonna use the time to remind you that it's a new channel. I want to get it active as soon as possible. So leave a like, subscribe to the channel, more tutorials. We'll be doing more tutorials, more of everything. As you can see, my Smurf account and my main account are both as running. You want to watch out, however, because it doesn't always launch. Like now you can see it's not firing up. So just stop it, confirm. Make sure you added the windowed flag to launch options. You want to do that basically because you want to move that second instance. This one is launched in no border window or in borderless mode. That's how I run it. I usually change my resolution in Windows and then run CSGO. So now we want to wait. Basically, we want to wait. Eventually it will launch. It will just fire up and will be good to go. Now, the use case for that 2-instance run of CSGO. The use case can be basically anything. Maybe you have like 1500 cases to open and you want to open them in one go. So you need 2 Steam instances because inventory limit is 1k items. Oh, as you can see, it launched. How can you know that it's launched? Simply those hashtags will be displayed in Sandbox instance. Or another use case that I used it actually for. As you can see, my AK has unusually big stat track number for a few days that I haven't played CS. So I will present that use case in this video. It connected with CSGO network. So now we can join our own lobby and we can disable any sounds. Now we want to click play CSGO, workshop maps, and there's a map for stat track. It's called TGS. Link, of course, all links will be in the description, so yeah, there's that. Just wait for the map to load and yep, it loaded. We're gonna go for T. Here it's loading. It's loading. Still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Not responding. Basically it has to load 2 times. You know how it is. Those don't share any informations between each others. They are in what's called a sandbox. So now we can get our AK, type plus attack in console and leave it. And go watch YouTube videos. You see, here I'm killing myself. As you can see. So now, if you have 2 monitors, you can move the instance to your second monitor. I fucked up. Yep, there we go. And just leave it. It's gonna grind automatically. Or maybe you have 2 accounts of the other game that you want to trade with. So 2 MMO instances. World of Warcraft or Lost Ark. Log in on 2 accounts and trade, and here you go. That's how to do it. So remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see something else, I can do a little research to find basically the way to, if there's a way to do it. I can do some research and yeah. Thank you for watching. And now I'm going to go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.